Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. Today I am unboxing, testing out and reviewing the Blacklyte Athena Gaming Chair and taking a sneak peek at the upcoming Atlas gaming desk. Just a friendly reminder that you can order the Athena Gaming Chair today via bestbuy.ca. If you're looking for a dependable companion for all your gaming adventures, the Blacklyte Gaming Chair is a great fit. Between work and play, I spend dozens of hours at my desk daily, so comfort and quality are absolutely key in a great gaming chair for me. I was eager to try out the latest offering from one of the newest gaming furniture brands on the market, Toronto-based Blacklyte Incorporated. The company has been collecting feedback from gamers, making tweaks to their product line. In fact, one of the first places I actually saw the chair and the desk were at Fan Expo Canada, where they were collecting feedback from gamers on site. They used this feedback to create the Athena Gaming Chair, and it really shows. I was very comfortable during my many marathon gaming sessions. Along with putting the Athena Gaming Chair to the test, Blacklyte also offered Best Buy an early look at their Atlas desk. In this review, I'll be taking an in-depth look at the final retail version of the Athena chair and the conceptual version of the Atlas desk. Let's dive in and explore all that Blacklyte's flagship line has to offer. Let's first take a look at the unboxing and the initial setup of the Athena gaming chair. I'm always looking for ways to level up my gaming setup. Over the years, I've tried out many different chair models. However, none of them have come close to how organized the Athena's setup process is. It's truly awesome. Let's take a look at why the assembly process is so easy and quick. Opening the box, I was met with a massive laminated set of instructions walking me through the build process. If you've ever set up or built a piece of furniture, it can be a frustrating and really time-consuming process. Blacklyte has taken all of the guesswork out of the setup and packaged their product in such a way that it's just so easy to put together. Step by step, they've neatly labeled, compartmentalized, and included all the required tools for each step of the build. I really do wish more furniture designers would take a few cues from Blacklyte. In the box, you'll find the seat base itself, 5 roller casters, a metal base, lumbar cushion, head cushion, and a separate box that's labeled miscellaneous accessories that holds everything like the screws and an Allen key. And even they are neatly organized inside of an actual holder where they're not going to be rolling around or getting jostled, and they're clearly marked based on every point within the instructions. As I continued the unboxing, I was impressed with how everything was packaged. It was clear a lot of care went into ensuring the chair would arrive in tip-top shape. All the fabric components are carefully wrapped, accessories neatly organized in separate boxes, made everything a snap. Thanks to the clear instructions, I was able to have the chair built and ready to roll in well under 20 minutes. After assembling the chair, one of the first things I noticed is how high quality all the components are. From the rollerblade style wheels, sturdy metal frame, to the fabric, it's all been constructed to go the distance. My first impressions using the chair were great, and even after weeks of rigorous testing, I'm still loving the chair, and it's proven to be durable, reliable, and extremely easy to maintain. Along with the high quality components, I really like the feel of the chair. The backrest is nice and wide with contoured side wings that offer greater support as you sit. I really like the lower back pillow. Its lumbar support is great to help correct posture when sitting. I found that when I'm gaming for long hours, I slouch naturally, unfortunately, but the Athena lumbar pillow really helped to keep my back a lot straighter. When it comes to my seating preference, I also prefer a chair on the firmer side, and if you're like me, the Athena offers excellent cushioning and comfort without being too soft or saggy. Blacklyte uses a high-density cold core foam technology for the base and the backrest of the chair, so even after long-haul use of the chair, it bounces back into place. And after months of use, the fabric, cushions, and the seat pad really showed me no signs of give and looked just as sharp as they did the day I put the chair together. So if you like a really firm chair, you're going to love the Athena Gaming Throne. Along with great build quality, the chair has multiple adjustment settings with height, tilt, swivel, and they all offered me plenty of comfort and versatility. The chair also has 4D plastic adjustable armrests that can tilt, slide, and move inward, outward, up, and down. The armrests are like other chairs that I've used in the past, and they are constructed with a lightweight plastic. I had mentioned earlier in the review about the rollerblade style caster wheels on the Athena, and I just have to highlight them here once again because they are ultra quiet and a real plus side to the chair. The bearings inside offer very, very quiet wheel movement. It's super smooth both on carpet and hardwood, and when you move, there's next to no resistance, and the wheels are pretty much silent, which is great for me personally because I do plenty of audio recording, and the chair just doesn't feature any squeaking or dragging sounds, which I absolutely love. I also have hardwood floors in my office, and this is one of the very first gaming chairs that I've used. I'm not worried about the wheels scratching my floors. Along with testing out the Athena Gaming Chair, Blacklyte also offered us a sneak peek at the Atlas desk. I was able to try out a concept model that is still being tweaked ahead of its full retail launch, so keep an eye out for it soon. What I did experience with the Atlas desk left me extremely impressed, and I can't go back to my old desk at this point. The adjustable sitting and standing desk offers great features for both work and play. Here are some of my early thoughts on the desk with some of its key features. First and foremost, its headlining feature is the powered height adjustable system that effortlessly moves the desktop up and down. The height ranges from 600 millimeters to 1,250 millimeters, and all the measurements in between. You can save 2 height presets once you find that sweet spot that works for you. In terms of my family, I'm about 6 feet tall and my wife is 5'2", so there is a height difference in our household. Having the presets to adjust to our different sizes was great. I really enjoyed using this feature as I was able to go from sitting to standing in minutes, and it really helped to offer some back relief when standing. The Atlas desk also has a very cool feature with an LED lighting system with multiple presets and colors. You can adjust the lights on the front, left, and right sides of the desk using a button panel on the front of the unit. One very neat unexpected element is the front light bar. It's so bright that it does offer a little bit of underlighting if you're on camera. I noticed this a few times when I was in virtual meetings, and it's a nice unexpected extra. Along with all this really cool strip lighting, there are also 2 blue gem-style lights at the front corners of the desk. These can be turned on or off for an added extra flair. They add a really unique look to any space. So if you're looking for a cool lighting upgrade for your gaming setup, the Atlas offers some serious flair to any setup. The desk also has a built-in wire management system and a rugged metal construction with a sharp, modern aesthetic. Along the length of the back of the desk is a panel that opens into what is called the wire wrangler tray. The tray is mounted below the tabletop, and for me, it's done a great job hiding my mess of wires. And, I like to do a lot of wire management, but you can kind of just cram all the wires in there, flip down this lid, and no one's the wiser. So it's a sleek design that not only looks great, but it's also functional, offering plenty of workspace and keeping things nice, neat, and tidy. Here are my final thoughts on the Athena Gaming Chair and overall the Blacklyte line. The Athena chair is a great gaming companion that offers plenty of comfort and durability for hours of play. Its sleek and ergonomic design felt great as I poured hours into my latest gaming adventure. Whether you're a casual or hardcore gamer, you'll appreciate the features and benefits the Athena has to offer. If you're looking for a gaming chair and a desk combo that will take your setup to the next level, the Athena Gaming Chair and the Atlas desk make a fantastic pairing. I'm Matthew Rondina for Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out bestbuy.ca where you can find all sorts of gaming furniture, just like the Athena Gaming Chair. Game on!